Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Steno Wizardry. Today we will be doing 400 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. Ready? Start. Before putting forward a measure of this nature before Parliament, we had given a considerable thought to certain aspects of cloth prices as they exist today, and it is only because we felt that this is the only means now open to us which can to some extent act as deterrent against high prices, and where it fails to do so would be able to absorb the margins of the profit that go to the trade and industry that we sought to bring in this measure for the approval of Parliament. Sir, the factual position which has been described in the note might be summarized thus. The existing capacity of the mills is being utilized to the maximum possible extent. In fact, sir, in July, the production of textiles has been an all-time record of 500 million meters. Honorable members might say, well, if that is possible, why do you fear that there is going to be scarcity of cloth? In fact, I think it is the possible scarcity and the high prices that have induced these people to stretch a point and make the mills produce a little more, though certain factors helping to increase production have been accidental, namely in July the working days have been the largest number. The other fact is, sir, that we are not in a position within any measurable distance of the time to increase the capacity of the mills, both in regard to the loomage that is weaving and in regard to its spindles that is spinning, because the loomage in the mills is frozen. We are not adding to the looms except for the recent decision that we have taken that we should add to the mills by the way of automatic looms intendedly specifically for promotion of export of cloth, and so far as spindlage is concerned, that has been restricted to an increase over a period of 1 to 1.5 years to about 1 million spindles, the license for bulk of which has already been granted, and this decision had been taken already on the basis of an estimate of consumption of 18 meters per capita during the 8th 5-year plan and towards the end of it. When that decision was taken, Sir, government were not unconscious of the fact that the target would be a correct one, and in an exceptionist economic that target. Full stop. Thank you.